Hello and welcome to the day 7 of Archicad tip of the day series. Wow, it's been 1 week already. Good. Alright, so what I'll be teaching us today is how to quickly draw slabs around the building. So this is just a rough conceptual shape. So say you were done with this and you wanted to draw a slab around it. The traditional way is to click on this and then go picking all the edges one by one, this, and that can take forever. There is a faster way to do it. Now, if you have a full building as your plan and not necessarily something that is open like this, I'm just adding these extra walls so that I create partitions in this space, not that they have any extra meaning to them. Alright, so for whatever reason that line should just be inclined. Alright, what happens is if you're going to use the magic wand tool, it is just going to cover only this section. So that's not the answer, or that's not the right way to use the magic wand for this purpose. What you need to do is just draw a big rectangular slab over that entire area. No problem, let it cover everywhere. Then next, and please, this is something I'm going to just demonstrate very fast afterwards. I am this slow because I am explaining. So I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to offset this edge, that's with this to this point. Then I hold the space bar outside, not inside the building, outside, and click on it and everything goes. Now the conditions for this to work are: 1, I make sure that from this edge to this edge nothing is outside, that is 1. 2, that the slab tool is active because I want to subtract from the slab. So the magic wand tool is not only used for addition, it can be used for subtraction. 3, I hold the space bar and I do that. Alright, so like I said, I was going to do that in fast forward, not like fast forward, but how quickly it would be in my own workflow. It's just going to be, if you're counting the number of seconds, tell me how long it took. That's all. Look forward to seeing you guys in tomorrow's zone. If you want more videos like this, say so in the comments. If you want to join a community of people who have access to my advice and my professional coaching on Archicad from time to time, let me know. I'm not really a professional coach now that I think about it, but at least I do help Archicad students and those who want to get better at the software. That said, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.